Little radio tied to the fence, thin sound cutting through the wind. Two men leaning on the rail, talking slow about nothing much. Pickup passing down the lane, loose gravel under the tire. Dave just sitting in the heat, barely moving. That small signal drifting wide across the yard and open ground. Old program rolling all day long. Love by little station run through the middle of the sun. Hands resting on the rail, time standing still. Empty canvas sound. Evening leaning on the road, long light falling on the ground. Someone turning down the dial before heading home. Radio fading with the air, night settling in the field. Last voice flashing through the wire, then it's gone. Years move just about the same, small days without a name, carried on the air. Here and there, let that little station run middle of the sun. Hands resting on the radio, time standing still.